Sally, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a video me assembling the spice rack that I'm going to be using to display my stickers in my next craft fair. I did purchase this back in June of last year, 2023, and I did an unboxing with Amazon. But this is what it looked like. Little spice rack here. They have little figurines on there, and this is the box that it came in. This is the box that it came in. Shows spice rack. It doesn't have any instructions, but I'm going to go by what I saw on Amazon. So let's go ahead and open it up. Open it up before just to show you guys the video. But there's actually two sides to it. There's two pieces here. It's like the two walls. Okay. Along with the 5 tiers. Got a little screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is getting rattled. Here's the screws. So let's get started. So we have 5 tiers. Let's go ahead and open this up. 3 screwdrivers and the screw hubs, little screwdriver and screws and the bolts. 4, 5. So it's the first time actually having any type of displays like this to actually put together myself. These are the 2 walls that go on the side, and they're actually plastic, so we go ahead and take that off. So it's a little scratched up, not too bad. Right there, you can see that scratches right there. And more plastic on this one. Hope I'm in view so you guys see what I'm doing here. It's plastic. There we go. This one off. Alright, so I should have to go in the same direction. Maybe it'll be this like this. So I don't know if I should do on one side or do 1 and 1 on each side. Let me try this. Oh, this should go this direction. It should go like this. So let's move these over to the side. Let's see, I'm not going to figure that out. Let me just do one side at a time. So we'll go like this. And let's just try to do this one side first and see how it does. Alrighty, so like I said in my last video, I'm going to do my best to see if I can do at least one craft fair for my artwork before the summer is up. Yeah, so let me see this can go straight in right in there. That's one. And then I'll be able to display my stickers on this. So when I'm done here, I'll show you what my stickers will look like as being on display. Okay, so you push that through there. And you add the bolts. You guys can see that. The bolts. Oh, this is tedious. Big old hands. See the bolts. Oh, maybe I should turn it up like this. I think that'll be easier. Yeah, there you go. Let's put the bolts on. But I'll tighten it up later after I get it all done. That's your straight. So today is August 8, 2024, so Thursday. I said before, I like to do my best upload videos every Thursday, and sometimes I'll throw a second one in here within that week, but the base I try to do it every Thursday. If not, I'll do it Friday, but the base I try to get it every Thursday. So what I think I should do is maybe do another one, just keep it going. Oh, cool. Alright, so alright. I should put the other end on. What you guys think? Okay. Let's see. That'd be harder to do it like that. I think I'll just do all one end really fast. Okay, so we'll go ahead and speed it up a little bit. Alright, I'm down to the last 2 bolts. And I had a feeling I didn't need all these bolts and screws because this gave you extra just in case you lost some. So I have 3 bolts left. And 3 screws. 3 extra screws. And 3 extra bolts. That's cool in case they need thread to come out and alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Let me go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. Tighten it up. I'll do it better off air. I'm just going to get a little kick. Tighten it a little bit. The other side. There. I'll put this together in about less than 20 minutes. It's not bad. Alright, there you have it, my spice rack. Well, actually, this is spice rack that I'm using for my display stand for my stickers. So let me go ahead and grab my stickers so you can see what I'm talking about. Put my stickers in this little container here. Can't really see it. Stickers. It might lean a little bit, but you'll get the gist of it. Let me see if I can stick it over. This is this attitude, this diva. Get the background. Right there. Sebastian. Okay, we're working out. Any more Sebastian? I got a few more. Alright, what else we have? We have alright, you can find all these stickers on my Etsy shop, powered by Valerie 1814. Check it out. More Victoria Blue. Put a couple there. Victoria Blue. Victoria Blue. Have a couple of Colorman. And also Penelope. Grab Penelope right quick. These are smaller than our stickers. Oh, there you have it. Sticker display for my next craft fair. That's inside. They're pretty cool. So there you have it. Here's my sticker display stand for my next craft fair. So if you have any suggested video, better way I should have put it together, or any other things I can use to display my stickers, please leave it a comment in the description box below. I'll leave the information in the description box below, the link if I can find it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And please leave a comment if you can. Really helps my channel. See you next time. Bye.